Hi, my name is Allie Floyd, and I'm in the KINE 220-084 First Aid class. Today, I will demonstrate how to put on gloves and take them off, and also dispose of them properly. So I just came up on the scene to a victim, and I found that he has blood and bodily fluids, so I know that I need to put gloves on. And so first, what I'm going to do is wash my hands. And so I'm going to wash my hands with warm water and soap. And so by doing this, I'm taking a first step into making sure that my hands are clean, and also just taking another prevention step for the victim. Also, you're going to wash your hands for 20 seconds, and if you don't feel like you're gauging 20 seconds right, you can also sing happy birthday to yourself, which should be a very good close amount to 20 seconds. And also, if you do not have accessibility to a sink and or like soap, you can also use hand sanitizer with 60% alcohol. So now I'm just wiping my hands off with a clean towel, and then I'm going to turn the knobs off with a towel as well, so I'm not contaminating my hands further after I just wash them. So next step, after I wash my hands and or put hand sanitizer on them, is to put my gloves on. And so I put my gloves on as, again, just taking a safety precaution to the patient, just in case maybe the blood or those bodily fluids are diseased. And so we're just taking another step of prevention to it. And so once I have my gloves on, I can then go and assess the patient and see what further steps I need to take. So now that I have my gloves on, I will proceed to go to the patient and see what further steps I need to take without getting any of the blood or bodily fluids on my hands, since now I have gloves on. And so I just assessed the patient and finished up with the victim till EMS arrived or anybody further arrived. And so now I'm going to take my gloves off in the proper way. And so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pinch one glove on the outside, and you're going to take it off, seeing that it's now inside out, so now there's not a lot of contamination on it since you flipped it inside out. Now I'm going to grab with my other hand and then stick my two fingers on the inside of my glove, fully extending it and being able to pull it off while the other glove is inside. So now it looks like I only have one glove, but another glove is inside. And then you can toss these in a biohazard bin if there's one nearby, but if not, a safer way, instead of just throwing your gloves in the trash can, is to stick them into a sealed bag. And so I'm going to seal this off, and then I'm able to throw it in the trash can, so that if somebody were to accidentally stick their hand in the trash can, they aren't touching blood and or bodily fluids. So then I just threw this in the trash can, and now I'm going to come back and wash my hands and do some proper secondary things after I took it off, because I just want to make sure that if any blood or bodily fluids got on my hands, that I'm taking them off with soap and water. And also it's the 20 seconds again, or the happy birthday. And again, if you are not accessible to a sink with water or soap, you can also use your 60% hand sanitizer. And that is how you properly put on gloves and take them off, as well as disposing of them properly. Thank you.